Good morning, students. Now, in the last video, we have done about the C3 dark reaction. We have completed that C3 cycle. In that, I told you that all plants are not having C3 cycle. Some plants are having C4 cycle also. So, today we will discuss about that C4 cycle. So, what is C4 cycle? Before discussing that, I just want to tell you that in C4 plants, or you can say the C4 pathway, means C4 plants are those which are having C4 pathway. Now, dark reaction, that is. Now, what is C4 pathway? The compound formed in this, the first stable compound is with 4 carbon, that is oxaloacetic acid. Clear? Now, what are these C4 plants? इसमें क्या खास बात रहती है बेटा? There are some differences normally. These are the plants that are adapted to dry tropical regions. Clear? The plants which are found in dry tropical regions, they are C4 plants. And these plants are having some special features. The first point is that these are having special leaf anatomy. इनकी जो leaf anatomy रहती है वो थोड़ी सी आम plant से different रहती है बेटा. Tolerate high temperature, shows a response to high intensities of light, lack photorespiration, this is the main point, have greater productivity of biomass. These are some of the specific features which are found in the C4 plants, right? Now, I just talk about some points regarding the leaf anatomy. Why they are having this special leaf anatomy? This leaf anatomy, in the leaf you can say mesophyll cells, rubisco is absent, that is the very important point. They are not having rubisco enzyme, that is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase enzyme, that is absent in that. Have large cells around vascular bundles. Vascular bundles के आसपास बेटा कुछ large size cells रहते हैं. This is very important. You can identify C3 and C4 plants from the bundle sheath, and we call those cells bundle sheath. And this type of anatomy is called Krenz anatomy, which is only found in the C4 plants, right? Now, bundle sheath cells form many layers, clear? Have large chloroplast and thick walls which are impervious to gaseous exchange. The gas cannot be exchanged through that. Have no intercellular spaces. Cells के बीच में खाली जगह नहीं होती है बेटा, clear? And the best example is maize, clear? The best example of C4 plant is maize. Now let's see how these C4 plants, अब इसमें होता क्या है? The C3 Calvin cycle is going normally, but due to some reasons, because daytime they can't open their stomata, उनको खुला नहीं रख सकते because there is a great loss of water. तो उन चीज़ों से बचने के लिए they will have one additional step. C3 cycle से पहले इनके अंदर एक और step होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं C4 cycle. Now let's see what is that. Now in these plants, beta, carbon dioxide that comes from air, as we know that. Now that carbon dioxide is accepted by the primary acceptor, and that primary acceptor is phosphoenol pyruvate. Clear? Now phosphoenol pyruvate will get mixed with the simple that 3 carbon acid, and that fixation occur, and you will have the first 3,4 acid. Clear? Now this 3,4 acid, जिसको हम oxaloacetic acid भी बोलते हैं, that is the first compound. Now this C4 acid, then this I have drawn the mesophyll cell, clear? I am just talking inside the mesophyll cell, around the bundle sheath what is happening. So inside the mesophyll cells, carbon dioxide is get fixed and get converted to the first stable compound, that is OAA, oxaloacetic acid, which is the C4, okay, 4 carbon compound. This then oxaloacetic acid will then pass to the bundle sheath, clear? तो mesophyll cell से ये कहाँ आएगा बेटा? bundle sheath में, and inside the bundle sheath this C4 carbon compound will undergo decarboxylation, and after decarboxylation carbon dioxide is released which enters into the Calvin cycle. अब वही पुराना Calvin cycle start हो जाएगा. क्लियर? मीन्स यहाँ पे जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो डायरेक्टली फिक्स नहीं होती है कैल्विन साइकिल में, पहले उससे एक स्टेप और ऐड हो गया. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट द C3 एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस विच अगेन गोज बैक इनटू द मेसोफिल सेल्स, and then from this C3 acid the regeneration of phosphoenol pyruvate will occur. So this way this cycle goes on, and we call this cycle C4 cycle. It occurs in the specific plants, as I already told you. Thanks beta, this is all about the dark reaction, and have a nice day.